In order to test the UV resistance of 3D filament, we made the round-robin test on the samples, with a total test duration of 168 hours. Each round of the test includes 8-hour drying test and a 4-hour condensation test. The result shows that MMLA 3D printing outdoor filament has no discoloration, hardening, cracking, or any other changes in appearance, and meets the judgment conditions of YDSY 01, 021, 2021 UV test method. YDSY MMLA 3D printing outdoor micromolecule alloy has the excellent performance at UV resistance. It is suitable for long-term outdoor using.